Hello and welcome back. This is my first attempt to vlog a packrafting trip, so bear with me. We'll see how it goes. There are thunderstorms in the forecast. We've already had lots of rain today, so hopefully I won't get too wet. I'm walking down some back roads and I'm heading to my local river. I'm gonna paddle down, find a nice campsite, and spend the night there. Wake up in the morning and head home. It's about a 2-hour walk to the river. So far, the rain has held off, and it's just a beautiful evening. I actually didn't leave home until after 7 p.m., but it's the longest day of the year, so I actually have at least a couple more hours of direct sunlight, and then it'll probably be pretty light out till after 11:30 up here in the north. Well, I made it to the river, and I'm gonna get the packraft inflated here, and then I'll be on my way. I'm on the river now, just drifting down pretty lazily. The sun is behind the trees most of the time, but when it comes out it's right in my eyes, so it's a bit of a challenge to see what's coming up. The river is flowing pretty quickly. We're kind of at the end of the spring freshet. It's starting to clear up, but it's still pretty muddy, and it's beautiful. It's just a beautiful evening. So now I am just looking for a place to camp. I was looking at the map earlier and it looked like there might be a place to camp, not around this corner, but around the next one, so I'll have a look. It's approaching 10 p.m. Still plenty of light, but I'd like to get set up. Well, I've landed on this gravel bar here. Looks pretty decent. There's a nice sandy patch there, but I'll see if there's something a little bit higher up. I'm not worried about the water rising in the night, but it's just nice to feel a little more secure. It's about 11 p.m. now. Got my tent set up. I don't think I'm gonna cook anything tonight. I'm just gonna have a snack and go to bed. I'm not that hungry. But yeah, it's been a good day.
Good morning. I camped pretty close to the train tracks last night, and the trains kept me up. I am not used to that. So I'm slowly getting up.
So I didn't get a lot of sleep last night, but I made it through. Usually I don't cook breakfast when I'm camping, but I didn't eat anything last night, so I decided to make my dinner for breakfast and some instant coffee. Having a slow morning here, just getting packed up. I'm gonna get back on the river here in a short time. I think the rain held off last night, but there was a lot of condensation, so the inside of my tent was wetter than the outside. Being the summer solstice, it was quite bright out all night. I could have got up at any time and gone for a walk without a headlamp. And at about 4 a.m. I woke up and it was getting even lighter already. Birds were really waking up then. Okay, after a lazy morning, I'm pretty much all packed up. I'm going to take the Packraft and my backpack over to the river and get sorted out there, and then I'll head off. Got another hour to 2 hours on the river before I reach my takeout point. So let's see how it goes. I'm just drifting down the river. It is beautiful. Somebody was fly fishing up the river in the spot where I was planning to land, so here I am in the forest. But I'm off the river now, gonna get packed up and head home. Thanks for watching.